Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the JetHose pressure washer. This is a garden hose attachment that claims to deliver professional-grade cleaning power, remove dirt and grime instantly, and make cleaning your driveway, deck, car, or siding effortless. On their website, they sell it for $49.99 and promise revolutionary hydropower technology that will save you time, money, and effort. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now let's talk about some of the claims. The website says it can remove dirt, grime, and stains instantly with minimal effort. The truth is, no garden hose attachment can match the cleaning power of professional pressure washers. Tough stains like mold, algae, or oil usually require scrubbing or much higher PSI pressure than a simple hose nozzle can provide. They also claim professional-grade results and powerful dirt removal, but real pressure washers operate at 1,500 to 3,000 PSI, sometimes even with heated water. A standard hose attachment simply can't achieve that. The product also keeps mentioning hydropower technology as if it's revolutionary. But what it really does is just concentrate the flow of water you already have. If your home has strong water pressure, it might feel a little more effective for lighter tasks like washing a car or rinsing patio furniture. But if your water pressure is weak, don't expect it to suddenly perform like a professional-grade washer. Even more, the claims that it's safe on all surfaces are questionable. A concentrated jet that's strong enough to remove grime could still damage wood, vinyl, or painted surfaces. Another red flag is the pricing. This product is also available on AliExpress for just $17.88, yet the website charges $49.99. That's a big markup, which suggests the website might be engaging in dropshipping, buying the product cheaply from a supplier and selling it at a higher price without offering extra value, like faster shipping, better quality checks, or special services. While dropshipping itself isn't illegal, it does mean you're paying more for the exact same product you could get elsewhere for a fraction of the price. So what's the takeaway? The JetHose might help with light cleaning tasks if your water pressure is decent, but many of the claims on the website are exaggerated. Instant results, professional-grade cleaning, and zero effort are unrealistic expectations. At the end of the day, it's up to you whether you want to buy it or not. I've just shared some of the major concerns so you can make a more informed decision.